Hello, this is Michael from Crazy Crawler, and today I received the tire inserts for the RCX6, and now I will show you how to put the tire insert into the big tire. And for this I use dish detergent, dish liquid, and make the inside of the tire a little bit wet, and then squeeze the foam and press it into the tire. The beginning is quite difficult, so you have to widen the tire. Check the other side. And then you squeeze it inside, and that's it. So, making the inside of the tire wet is easier. And now you can adjust the insert to have a good fitting inside the tire. Yes, and that's it. So have much fun with the stiff tire inserts, and now you can enjoy your RCX6 perfectly on the trails. That's me, Michael from Crazy Crawler. See you on the trails.